In 2025, 17-inch laptops remain a compelling choice for users who want desktop-like screen real estate in a portable form factor. They are particularly appealing for students, creatives, and professionals who do more multitasking, content creation, or immersive media work away from a traditional desk. Product number 1. 18.5-inch laptop computer with 8,000 mAh battery. This 18.5-inch notebook targets battery-backed all-day productivity with a large IPS display and a complete connectivity package. It uses an Intel N150 quad-core processor up to 3.6 GHz with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD plus RJ45 for wired networking. The 18.5-inch Full HD panel promises immersive visuals for document work, video calls, and light media tasks, while the 8,000 mAh battery claims extended unplugged use. The design emphasizes a traditional workstation vibe with a front-facing webcam and a backlit keyboard option, making it appealing for students and professionals who value screen real estate and stable network connections. Product number 2. Laptop computer, 17.3-inch HD Plus display. Solgenix presents a 17.3-inch notebook aimed at students and light professional use, pairing a 17.3-inch HD Plus display, 1600 by 900 with 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD. The system runs Windows 11 Pro with MS Office pre-installed and uses an Intel Celeron N5095 processor up to 2.9 GHz with Intel UHD graphics. The inclusion of Windows 11 Pro plus MS Office addresses productivity needs for school and business tasks, while the fingerprint reader and backlit keyboard add convenience and security features. The overall emphasis is value for money, with the largest screen and generous memory for multitasking within a budget range. Product number 3. HP 17.3-inch FHD computer laptop, AMD Ryzen 5. HP's 17.3-inch FHD laptop leverages a Ryzen 5 7520U, 8 GB RAM, and a 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD. It emphasizes a balance of performance and efficiency, with a large 17.3-inch IPS display offering a wide 178-degree viewing angle. The system ships with Windows 11 Home, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, plus a privacy camera and HP True Vision webcam. The inclusion of FreeSync and AMD Radeon graphics strengthens media playback in casual content tasks, while a fast charge capability and a lifting hinge design aim to improve daily usability. Performance-wise, product number 4, 17-inch laptop computers, XYPLOX, enters with a 17.3-inch laptop powered by a 12th generation N95 CPU, 4 cores, 4 threads, up to 3.4 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. It emphasizes a broad connectivity suite, including USB 3.0/3.1, USB-C, HDMI, micro SD, and a backlit keyboard, along with a 10,000 mAh battery. The OS is Windows 11 Pro-like, OS Pro stated, which positions it as a business-friendly option for students who need robust local storage and long unplugged use. The 1080p display and 16 GB RAM are solid for general productivity and media consumption. Product number 5. Asus 2024 laptop, VivoBook 17, 17.3-inch, 1920 by 1080 IPS, Intel 6-core i3 1215U, 8 GB RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. It prioritizes a modern balance of efficiency and capability, offering Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1 to 7, and Windows 11 Home. The display is a 17.3-inch 1080p IPS panel with anti-glare, while the CPU combines 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores for versatile performance. The device emphasizes a flexible I/O footprint, USB-C and multiple USB-A ports, and a relatively light chassis for a 17-inch model at around 4.6 to 4.9 pounds, depending on configuration.